Good morning, guys and gals. All right, quickly let's review law of demand. Who can tell me the law of demand in your own words? Law of demand in your own words. Michael?
Price goes up, demand goes down.
Price goes up, demand goes down. All right, price goes down. Ashton, demand's going to go up. Why?
Because law of demand.
Inverse relationship.
It is an inverse, thank you, big word, inverse relationship. Why? Price goes down, why does demand go up? Everybody wants it when it's cheap. Very good. Alright, so, yesterday we began looking at demand schedules, and I wanted to show you what I actually got out of my first thought class as well. We did a demand schedule of burger prices in here. There were 18 of you. At 50 cents, all of you were willing. At $1, everybody was willing. At $2, everybody was still willing to buy a burger. No fries, no drink, just a burger. At $3, woo, we lost 8 of you. At $4, we lost another 3. And at $5, we lost 4. Only 3 people out of 18 were still willing. I had a much smaller group because of the field trip in first block. But look at the 8. At 50 cents, just like you, all willing. At $1, all willing. At $2, all willing. Got to $3 and look what happened. They dropped from 8 to 3. You dropped from 18 to 10. About the same percentage. They went from $3 to $4. And suddenly we drop again, just like you guys dropped again. And then this maintained because we only had a small group in there. That same person that was willing to buy it at $1 was also willing to buy it at $5. So when I plotted these, notice with a demand schedule, what's the difference in a demand schedule and a demand curve? Which do you have to have first?
The schedule.
You must have the schedule first. How do I get a demand schedule? What do I have to do to get it? A survey. I just go around and ask people, what are you willing to pay for burgers? You guys, some of you did prom dresses, some of you did rib sandwiches, some of you did pulled pork sandwiches, some of you did guns, some of you did, what were some other things? Haircuts. What? Donuts, steaks, those sorts of things. And you went around and surveyed each other, and what did every one of you find? That the higher the price, the lower the number of people that were willing to be able to pay that. So you proved the law of demand to be true. Now I take a demand schedule, which is this chart, and I can plot the points on a demand curve. What always goes at the bottom? What does that Q stand for? Quantity, the number of people in your survey. All right. Then, what does the P always stand for? Price. So my price always runs up, my quantity always runs across, and I know, before I ever plotted this, I knew it was going to be going in this direction. Why?
Demand is
always downward sloping, always going to be downward sloping, because when price is high, nobody wants it. When price is low, everybody and the mama wants it. Right? So it will always be downward sloping. Now this was interesting to watch your two. Your class is the blue. First block was the green. But notice they're very similar. Why is first block sitting over here?
Because people.
They only had 8 that took the survey. So out of the 8, they're curved, but notice the shape of it. It both does similar things. Alright, so let's do an example real quickly. Double scoop ice cream. How much are you willing to pay for a double scoop ice cream? Today, because of that same field trip, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 of you in here. How many of you are willing to pay $1.50? Who's not willing to pay $1.50 for a double scoop ice cream? Alright, so all 13 of you will pay $1.50. How many of you are not at 2? You're out at 2.
$1 a scoop.
All of you still in. That's $1 a scoop. That's a good idea there, Ashton. So it's cheap. $2.50. Anybody out? Ah, you guys seem to like ice cream. $3. All right, out. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of you bowed out at $3 a scoop. So we're down to 6. Who's still in it? Who's out now at $3.50 that wasn't out before? 1, 2. Additional people have come out, so we're down to 4. All right, the 4 of you that are still in, who's out at 4? Won't pay 4. 1, 2. So now we're down to 2. There's 2 people left. Who are the 2 people that are still in it?
The cameraman.
Cameraman and Will. All right, so Will, will you pay $4.50? No. Will you pay $4.50? No. So we're down to 0. So here we are out at this. Now, that is called a demand what?
Schedule.
Now I need to plot that. What goes here? Quantity, what goes here?
Price.
Price. And so I can look at 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, knowing that 13 was our top number. And here I'm going to go $1.50, $2, $2.50, $3, $3.50, $4, $4.50, $5. Okay, this being $5, this being $1.50. In the interest of time, we won't fill all of that in. So if I look at this, how would I plot it? At $1.50, who was willing? 13. All right, at $2, who was willing? 13. At $2.50, who was willing? Everybody. Then at $3 here, okay, then we drop to 6. 2, 4, 6. All right, at $3.50, we drop to 4. At 4, we drop to 2. And at $4.50, we're at
0.
So, when I connect the dots, is it a true demand curve?
Yeah.
It is a demand curve because as price goes up, demand goes down, and as price goes down, demand goes up. It will always work that way. Any questions about a demand schedule versus a demand curve and how to plot those? We feel good? All right, good job.